Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hanna, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the website URL for Hanna. Press the enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login button or link. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the web page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. Before submitting, double-check that your credentials are correct. If you wish to stay logged in, look for the Remember Me checkbox. If you want to enable this feature, click the checkbox. Once you have entered your information, click the Login button. If your credentials are valid, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter an error, verify your username and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your email address. After successfully logging in, explore the features available on your account. That concludes the login process for Hanna. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.